The admission process starts with a referral from home and community care support services. We then contact, or family members contact us, and we start the admission process. We have an admission package that we will often send to them. So the admission package contains information for families, what to bring on day one, what not to bring, what's not allowed, what we do allow for furniture, clothing, and any paperwork that's important. There's lots of consent forms included in it, and then there's extra things as well included in it, like the hair salon, foot care, and some of the other services that we provide here.
It's very important to read over all the documents and information because it is required to move into the villa for admission day, because that goes into their records for the future.
On the day of admission, we ask that you bring your health card, copies of power of attorney paperwork, that's very important for our financial department as well, and then clothing and belongings. Room items including blankets, TVs, lamps, pictures, plants, anything to make it their home. We ask for 7 days or less of clothing. We label it here at St. Joe's so that it does not get lost in the laundry. It's important to bring items from home or items that the resident finds familiar and comforting to them in a new environment, especially if they have dementia. It's nice to have some things that they can recognize. On admission day, it is a big transition, usually for the resident and for families as well. So we do expect some anxiety and maybe some sadness because they've had to leave their home. Sometimes we also experience great gratitude because they are so happy to be here and know that they are going to be looked after and be safe.
The transition time for residents when they first move in, sometimes it can take a couple weeks for most people just because it's a new environment and they gotta feel comfortable.
So to help make the transition easier, ourselves, we are the first point of contact. Going forward, we have nursing staff. We have the BSO, which is Behaviour Supports of Ontario. They help with transitional support. We have social work. We have the spiritual department as well, which includes spiritual and religious care. It's great to have such a variety of services because then you know that your loved one is well supported and encouraged here at the Villa. Here at the Villa, we don't have any restricted visiting hours. You can visit 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When you do come to visit your loved one here at the Villa, you can visit them on the unit. You can take them off the unit. We have some outdoor space, and there is a trail that runs around the Villa as well, and a trail out back towards the hospice.
We have some benches around the property that you can go and sit in the sun and enjoy some socialization time with your loved one. And they can also explore the Dundas community and just enjoy the fresh air. Here at the Villa, your loved one will receive exceptional care.
We have 24-hour nursing care, so we have registered staff as well as PSW staff on every unit, so your loved one is well cared for. We have therapeutic recreation here, and so they run activities villa-wide and on the units as well to help engage residents in, socialization. They do cards, they do bingo, painting, arts and crafts, music. They have live music. Yeah, lots of activities to keep them engaged and, get them out of their rooms a little bit.
So if you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely reach out to us here at the Villa in the admissions department. We're here to make the transition as easy as possible because it can be hard, so we're here to make it a smooth transition.